Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to select all bold text in Word. If you have several scattered words or sentences in bold and want to select them all at once to change their formatting, you can use the Find and Replace tool. This is much faster than holding down the Ctrl key and clicking manually one by one. So for this you need to press the Ctrl plus H to open the Find and Replace window, and then click on the Find tab at the top and click the More button at the bottom to expand the options, and make sure the Find Word box is empty, and then click inside it, and then click the Format button at the bottom and click on the Found. So in the Found style, let's select the bold and click OK. Now you can see that you should see that Format Found bold appearing under the Find Word box. And now click in the Find In button and select the main document. Word will instantly highlight every piece of bold text in your entire document. You can then close the dialog box, and then text will remain selected, allowing you to change the color, size or font for all of them at once. For example, if you want to change the color, you can change it to the green and make it purple. You can make it italicized. So this way you can easily select all bold text in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.